So in India, if you score good in exam, you're intelligent, and if you do not, then you are not. Everything is based on your marks. We are judged by our ability to remember something and not by our knowledge. Why is it so? Is it a healthy thing? I don't accept that, because in my point of view, when we are in the 21st century, this is a conceptual age where we need to study and learn everything, understanding the concepts. When you start focusing on understanding the concepts, definitely the marks will come on its own. But if you focus only on marks, we will study only the few questions which has been asked in the earlier exams, and we won't gain any knowledge. We'll just go with the by-hearting concept. So I always insist that the child should understand the concept and also should know how to apply the concept for solving different problems. So when it practices to apply the concept what it studies in future, the child will be most sought for majority of the jobs, because they want people who are creative, who can apply their knowledge, and who can be conceptual, and who has a critical thinking. So all these things comes only when you start understanding the concept, having hands-on experience, and not focusing only on marks. Because now the age has come in such a way, like the recruitment is on skill-based competitions and not on marks. In many countries, people say that they don't even bother about the degrees what they have. They bother only about whether they have knowledge and skill. So the combination of knowledge and skill is a must for every child, and they also need to know how to apply the knowledge and how to work based on the requirement of the industry. So this is what is the prime motive of every industry now while recruiting any student or any graduate. So the children should not be focused only on marks. Marks will come automatically when you start understanding the subject. You're going to write the answers for those questions, and in future we are going to have a lot of objective type of exams, especially now when we are going into digital. Lot of objective type of exams are going to come, and when you are facing an objective type of exam, you need to understand the concept, otherwise you will not be able to get through the competitive exams. And also, let us not focus only on the marks, and the parents should also concentrate more on how to make the child understand the concept.